Yeah, I mean, they're definitely tucked in there, but snow mode. As long as I can go through the snow. Eventually, I want to get different wheels. And I love the Aturo off-road tires. They make some really good 20-inch options. But what I want to do is make my own wide body kit. Sell it through Phantom Speed Factory. And yeah, carbon fiber, bigger off-road tires that would fit. That's probably what I'd run. I wouldn't even run these, but I'd want to put the off-road tires on these rims. That would be the thing. In time, in time. All right, let's do these front. Yeah. This might be a little tough. Getting dirty. I think I'm gonna get a little 4x4. Oh, that ain't a little one. There we go. Stay.